How to add McDonald's gift card to app. So all you have to do is just go to your McDonald's app and make sure that your McDonald's app is up to date and just click that. Now to add the gift card in your food or in your McDonald's app, it is not yet supported right now, but you just have to do it in the store of the McDonald's. And as you can see in here, by order now, there are some mistakes in here. It doesn't have an option to add your gift card in the food, so it is not supported yet, but they have said that they would in the further future, but right now they don't, because it needs to be in personal. The gift card must be in personal detail or store, because there might be some scams, or the app could be tricked to gift cards, and they would lessen the value of the food. And that's why they usually have to use the gift card or add the gift card in the store. And that's it.